going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Spray Paint by Jumex featuring Travis Barker. If you're new here, click that subscribe button in the bottom right hand corner of this video, as well as the notification bell, that way you never miss a new tutorial, or else I'll pour laxative in your mom's spaghetti squash soup. Or not. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories, so if you want some free stuff, stick around to the end of the video. I'll get into all the giveaway stuff there, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play it. Okay guys, so this song is in standard tuning, and as always I will have the guitar tab for you in the video description below, so if you need it, once you get done with the video, go download it. It's in the video description. I'm just going to kind of go part by part through this song, because once you learn, there's like 3 major parts to it. Once you learn them, it just kind of repeats that throughout the entire song, but we'll kind of just run through really quickly the entire song, just piece by piece. So starting with the intro, you're going your index finger on the 5th fret of the A string, your ring finger on the 7th fret of the D string, and your pinky finger on the 7th fret of the G string. And what you're doing here is have your middle finger ready on the 6th fret of the G string, because the intro part is, they're going, creating that dissonance by taking the pinky off to where you're, instead of 5, 7, 7, you're at 5, 7, 6. And that strumming pattern is going to be down, up, down, switch, up, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down. And that last down, up, down is down, up, down. So pinky off, down, pinky on, up, pinky off, down. Down, up, down, switch, up, down, switch, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down. Down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down. So one more time, slowly. Down, up, down, switch, up, down, switch, up, down, down, up, down, up, down. And they're doing that twice, so slowly it looks like this. Moving on to the next part of the intro, and this is going to be, once you learn this, this is also the first half of the chorus as well. You're only using the A and G strings, and you can use your ring finger if you want. I use my pinky on the G string. I'm using index on 9 and pinky on 11, and I'm kind of laying my index across the D string so it mutes it. And you're going 9 and 11, 7 and 9, 9 and 11, 5 and 7, looks like this. Down, up, 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 down, up. Next, we're going to jump into the beginning of the verses. The easiest way to do this is you're just going to palm mute all down strums, which palm muting is take that fleshy part of your hand right here, set it on the bridge of your guitar where you get the punchiness. You don't want it too far forward or else it'll just mute it, but you don't want it too far back because it'll just ring out like normal. And you're going 5 and 7. 5 on A, 7 on D. And you're going for 4 counts of 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then you're going to 7 on the low E, 9 on the A, and you're doing the same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now that's the easiest way to play it. The way that they're playing in the song, it sounds like what they're doing is for this first power chord, they're going just the A string. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. Picking that D string separately. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. That's what it sounds like they're doing there. Like I said, if it's easier for you to just palm mute both of them, you can do that as well. It's the same thing. But I think they are doing... And then for the next chord, they're just doing the same thing. They're just palm muting. After you play through that, the first couple times through the first verse, they get into just the... You're just strumming those twice on the 7 and the 9. So you'll be like... 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So the first half of the verse is... After that, you're going to jump into the chorus of the song, which is the same thing that I showed you earlier. Plays through that twice, just like that. It does 2 more times, and instead of staying on 7 and 9 twice, you're only staying there once, and then you're going up to 12 and 14. So... So down, up, down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up, up. Up, up is on 5, 7, or on 7, 9, and then 5, 7. The strumming pattern is the exact same. Down, up, down, up, up, down, up. Down, up, up, down, up, down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up, up. So all together one time through, the chorus looks like this. After that, you're jumping back into the verse, same exact thing that we just learned for the verse. The one, two, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Then you're jumping back into the chorus, and I believe the second chorus is played 2 times through all together. So you're doing... And then you do that again one more time through. So up until this point, you have the intro, the first verse, chorus, second verse, second chorus, and then now there's just this little bridge that happens. It's not much different than the verses that we've learned already. You're starting picking that same 5 and 7 power chord on A and D. And you're going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then down, up, up on 5, 7, 7. 5, 7, 7. And then you move that up to 7, 9, 9. Down, up, down, up. Down, up, down, up, up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So again, 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Down, up, down, up, up. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Down, up, down, up, up. That goes twice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then you're going to the same 7 and 9 power chord on E and A, and you're doing the same 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and then you're going 4, 6, 6 to 5, 7, 7. Same strumming pattern. Down, up, down, up, up. Down, up, down, up, up. So down, up, down, up, down, up, pause, down, up, down, up, up. So that whole entire bridge looks like this. I'll do that one more time up to speed. One final recap. We got intro, we got verse 1, chorus, verse 2, chorus 2, little bridge part, and then it just ends on the chorus. The chorus just gets played, I want to say twice, and then it just ends at the very end of the last chorus. And again, if you need the guitar tab, I have the fully written out guitar tab for the entire song in the video description. It's there for you. If you have any questions, message me on Instagram at billyshultzmusic. If you need any further help with the song, I'm always available to help you guys learn further if this was a little bit more difficult. So let me know. Go get the guitar tab, and it ends on the final chorus. Have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Keep practicing. You will have this song down in no time. Like I said at the beginning of the video, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories. All you got to do to enter is subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, like this video, and then leave a comment down below with a song that you would like me to teach you on guitar. Now the way it's going to work is each month I'm picking 2 winners. One is going to win a guitar accessories kit that comes with a capo, guitar strap, guitar picks, everything that you need as a beginner, intermediate, or advanced player will be in that kit. The second place winner is going to win a free merch bundle from the channel, and then when the channel hits 50,000 subscribers, I'll be picking one of you guys to win that free brand new acoustic guitar. So again, all that you have to do to enter is subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, leave a like on this video, and leave a comment down below with the song that you guys want me to teach you on guitar. Again, I can't thank you guys enough. Your support has been incredible, and I can't explain how much it really means to me, so thank you guys so much for all the support. I really enjoy helping you guys learn these songs that you want to play on the guitar. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave those in the comment section below. I will have the rules to the giveaway in the description below, along with the free ebook that will always still still be there. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. Always free. It'll always be in the description along with any tabs that might be for the video. So again, if you need anything, have any questions, my personal email address is in the description below, or leave your questions in the comments section. We'll see you guys in the next video.